If you want to remove objects from a photo on the Motorola Moto G56, then in that case we're gonna go to the Play Store first. We need to download an app that allows us to use a magic eraser. In this case we're gonna go and search, and there is one app that we can use, for example the Snapseed. This is the app, it is made by Google. This is the app that we're gonna use, so let's install it. Let's press continue over here, and let's skip this. And we should be able to quickly install the app. Once it is installed, you want to of course open it. Among other things, it contains the magic eraser. So let's open it. There we go. Now we can tap anywhere in order to open a photo, so let's press here. Then we can choose the photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. After that, we're gonna go to Tools at the bottom, and we need to use the, I believe it was Healing option. So let's select it. And then you should be able to select the area that should be removed from the photo. And there we go. As you can see, this part was removed. Let's also try to remove this car toy over here from the middle of the photo. I'm gonna also select shadows. Let's see if it works. And, well, kinda did. We can select this area again. Let's see if it helps. It looks much better. Let's try again. And there we go. So now, once we are done with the photo, once we edited it, we can press this check over here in the bottom right corner in order to save our photo. And there we go, it should be done. Let's go to the Photos app now in order to check if it's actually saved. Maybe not really. So, besides that, we can also tap Export. Yeah, and then we have Save option. So, this is how it looks like. So, I forgot about exporting. So let's save it. And soon after that, there we go, photo saved. So we can tap View in order to open it. I'm gonna choose the Photos app. As you can see, we have our photo edited. And now we should be able to find it in the Photos app. Let's see if we can find it here. Let's reopen the Photos app. Maybe not here, so let's go to Collections, and there we go, Snapseed folder. Here we have our photo. So that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.